I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our puzzles today.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with our puzzles. These are nice because they come in a nice film for packaging, as well as on a backing board. So when you're pressing and when you're delivering, it's very safe. So let's get started.
Okay. We did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using the F570 sheet feeder today. We'll remove this from the packaging. And I like to keep the backing board on there so when I tape it, it's not taping directly onto the puzzle. So we'll center this and tape it.
Okay, and we are using our Hottronics Fusion today. So I'm going to place a piece of silicone down on our bottom platen. You can use a piece of Teflon as well, just to protect your platen. Going to place one on top, and I am placing my puzzle with my coating face up, my image face down. Cover again. And then today we are pressing at 400 degrees, 45 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we have our gloves on. Going to remove all of our layers and remove while hot. So we're just gonna take off our press and then remove in one smooth, consistent motion to avoid any ghosting.
We'll remove the tape.
Thank you, Meredith. And we do offer many different sizes in our puzzle, so be sure to check those out at coastalbusiness.com, as well as a few different shapes to check out. And you have your finished product.
After your puzzle is complete, leaving the backboard on, you can actually slip it back in here for retail purposes.
And there you go. So don't forget to check out our product instructions as well as templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. And we will see you next time.